हेलो बच्चों। आज हम ये प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं। इस प्रॉब्लम में एक डब्ल्यू वेट है विच इज सपोर्टेड बाय टू केबल्स एज शोन इन द डायग्राम। तो ये वेट है, जिस एक ब्लॉक है जिसका वेट डब्ल्यू है, एंड दीज आर टू केबल्स। द ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ दिस केबल is fixed at 60 degree from horizontal, and we have to decide the orientation of cable 2, that is we have to decide theta, so that tension in this cable is minimum. So this is an equilibrium problem. This point P is at equilibrium, and it is acted upon by three forces, that is W, T1 and T2. Now we can draw these forces acting on the point P, this point P. So there are three forces, T1, W and T2, acting at this point. Now what is the angle between T1 and T2? So by subtracting 60 degree and theta from 180 degree, we can obtain this angle to be 120 degree minus theta. So this angle between two cables is 120 degree minus theta, and this angle will be 60 degree plus 90 degree, that is 150 degree. Now since this point is at equilibrium, we can apply Lami's theorem. So by using Lami's theorem, आपको T2 obtain करना है, expression for T2, and it is better to obtain T2 in terms of W because W is constant. ये जो T1 है, it will vary depending upon what value of theta you choose. This T1 will also depend on theta, so it is better to write T2 in terms of W. So we can write T2 upon sine 150 degree equal to W upon sine 120 degree minus theta. By using Lami's theorem, we can write this expression. Now from here we get expression for T2. So T2 is equal to W sine 150 degree upon sine 120 degree minus theta. Now look at this expression. जो न्यूमरेटर है, न्यूमरेटर कांस्टेंट है। अब हमें T2 की वैल्यू मिनिमम चाहिए। T2 की वैल्यू मिनिमम तब आएगी जब डिनोमिनेटर मैक्सिमम हो जाएगा, क्योंकि न्यूमरेटर तो आप चेंज कर नहीं सकते, न्यूमरेटर कांस्टेंट है यहाँ पर। T2 मिनिमम तब आएगा जब डिनोमिनेटर मैक्सिमम होगा, और डिनोमिनेटर इज अ साइन फंक्शन, सो इट विल बी मैक्सिमम व्हेन दिस एंगल विल बी 90 degree. So from here we can write 120 degree minus theta equal to 90 degree. So therefore theta will be equal to 30 degree. So this is the required orientation of this cable for tension in this cable to be minimum. Thank you.